Today, let's work on a mini project. Suppose we have a robot creation center. A customer walks in and wants to build a robot. We're going to ask a couple of questions like the name, the age, the color of the robot. After that, we are going to print out all this information. So first, let's print Welcome to Robot Creation Center. Next, we're going to ask the name of the robot. Name equal to input. What is the name of your robot? We're going to ask the age as well. And we're not going to do any calculation of the age, so we don't need to convert age to a number. So input, what is the age of your robot? We're going to ask the color as well. Then we're going to ask the height of the robot. And depends on the height. If the robot is tall, we're going to print a message. If the robot is not tall, we're going to print a different message. So we need to compare this height to a number. Before we do that, we need to convert this height from a string to a float. Last question is if this robot has superpower. I'm going to put a bracket, yes or no, to tell the user this is the expected answer. Okay, after getting all this information, now we can print out. So I'm going to try the format. Meet, followed by the name. I'm going to print, format, name is this number of years old in this color. Now, if the height is greater than 1.5, I'm going to print this robot is tall. Else, I'm going to print this robot is cute. If superpower equal to yes, I'm going to print it has superpower. Else, I'm going to print it doesn't have superpower. Okay, let's run this code. What's the name of your robot? I'll call it Mighty. Okay, age maybe 12. Color purple. Height, let's make it 1.8. Does it have superpower? Of course, I want to have superpower. Okay, so Meet Mighty is 12 years old in purple, is tall, and it has superpower.